an example, let us see a straight line. So we have the x coordinates and the y coordinates as shown. Y divided by x will give you m. We take the y-axis, the x-axis, and we take the scale on the y-axis as 1 centimeter as 2 unit, and on the x-axis 1 centimeter is 1 unit. And we get a graph like this by plotting the coordinates. Let us join these points by a line, and we see that this line passes through 0, 0, the origin. The equation of the line y upon x is equal to m is 2, which is constant, and that is called the slope. So we can write the equation as y is equal to mx. Now m is a constant, so y is proportional to x. So whenever you have a straight line passing through 0, 0 origin, then y is proportional to x. Now let us see how to find m, the slope, by various methods. So let us take a graph of y versus x. This is the same example with the scale y-axis 1 centimeter is 2 unit, 1 centimeter is 1 unit on the x-axis. So you get a straight line. Now let us choose any 2 points. We find the distance dy as equal to 4. 1 is 2, so 2 squares will give 4. The x-axis, this distance is equivalent to 2 units. So when you divide it, the slope m is d by dx of y, or dy by dx. That will give you 4 upon 2, which is 2. So this is the distance method. Let us see the second method. Again we have a graph of y versus x. Let us draw the y-axis, the x-axis, the same scale. Y-axis 1 centimeter is 2 units, x-axis 1 centimeter is 1 unit, and draw the line. Again we choose 2 points to find the slope. But now we take the coordinates. This point has the coordinates 3 and 6. This one is having 5 and 10. So the slope can be written as m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, that is 10 minus 6 upon 5 minus 3. That gives you 4 upon 2 again, which is 2. This is the 2-point method. Let us see the third method to find the slope. So again we take a graph of y versus x. Again we draw the y-axis, the x-axis, the same scale. Y-axis 1 centimeter is 2 unit, x-axis 1 centimeter is 1 unit. Draw the line. But now we are finding by the angle method. That angle is theta, which is somewhere around 64 degrees. So the slope will be given by m is equal to tan theta. Tan of 64 is about 2. So again the slope is 2. We have seen the 3 methods. Now let us see another graph. The slope is 2 over here. Let us see how. So we plot the x. The x is same as the earlier example, but the y is different. So we plot this graph y against x with the same scale. Y-axis 1 centimeter is 2 units, x-axis 1 centimeter is 1 unit. This is the graph that you get. Now if you join the line, join the points with the line, then what do you get? This one. See the point where the line ends. It is not 0, 0 origin, a little above. So this equation is different. Y is equal to 2x plus 3. That 2 is the slope, you remember? And what is this 3 then? So you have a relation like y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the slope. If you find by any of the three methods that we did earlier, you will get the slope as 2 into itself. But this c is nothing but the y-intercept. This is no longer passing through 0, 0. So y is not proportional to x over here. That's all. Thank you.